Welcome, baseball enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the essential steps to set bases on a baseball field. Whether you're prepping for a game or learning field maintenance, we've got you covered. Let's ensure the field is safe, accurate, and game ready. Step 1. Sweep the area. Clear out any conditioner or loose dirt to prepare for digging. Ensure the ground has enough moisture for easy digging. Step 2. Measure the distance. Use a measuring tape to confirm 90 feet from the apex of home plate to the back corner of first base. Double check alignment with a string line. Step 3. Dig the base anchor. Carefully dig out the area to reveal the base anchor. Ensure the hole is clean and manageable. Step 4. Adjust the base anchor. Remove the anchor and assess its condition. If necessary, adjust its height and position to ensure safety and functionality. Step 5. Refill the hole. Add fresh infield mix and tamp it down firmly to ensure a level surface for the base anchor. Step 6. Secure the base. Attach the base to the anchor and ensure it sits flush with the ground. Secure it with nails for added stability. Great job! Your baseball field is now game ready. Properly aligned bases ensure player safety and a smooth game experience. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks for maintaining your field. Until next time, play ball.